In this video, you're gonna learn about the font target text component inside DoozyUI. Let's get started. The font target text changes the font of a target text depending on the active variant of the selected theme. And what I mean by that is that you can change the font of a text depending on what variant or inside your theme is active, light, dark, or whatever. So I'm going to create a text component, make it a bit bigger. And yeah, and now I would like to be able to change the font. Let's change the color so you can see it. So in order to add the font target text component, you just click add component and you go to Doozy, themes, targets, and here we search for font target text. Of course, you can also write font and select it from the list. Right away, it will select the first theme in my database, and I have three themes, another theme, general, and my theme. And you will see the active variant and what font is selected. And you will see the font right here, Oswald Light. So I'm going to change the theme. I'm going to change the active variant, and you will see that the font will also change. Let's say I'm going to select the subtitle font, and this will also change. And you can notice that the font changes. There you go. And let's go for the quote. Of course, you can also have more text. So let's move it like this, and let's say header. And here I'm going to say, let's make it a bit smaller, something like that. And now you'll notice that I can also change for two things at once. Of course, right now I'm changing the font in the editor, but this also works at runtime. And here I have three buttons, 1, 2, and 3, and a graph controller that uses portal nodes that listen for each of these buttons and triggers a theme node that activates variant 1, variant 2, and variant 3. So let's see the system work at runtime. So 1, 2, and 3. And you can also see how it changes here. 2, 3, it changes. So 1, 2, and 3. And this is it for the font target text. You basically can change the font to any text component just by changing the variant. Thank you.